SOK. Beyond safety. Guangdong Jinli Electrical Appliance Co. Limited was established in 1985, located in Foshan City, Guangdong Province, covering 300,000 square meters, owning 1,300 employees. Jinli's registered capital is $10 million, which turns over $66 million, under 110 million pieces of production capacity. Here comes the part of company certification. Jinli has obtained ISO 9001, ISO 14001 certificate, but the OSAS 18001 certificate. Jinli owns CNAS certified laboratory. Got the high-tech enterprise certificate in 2019. Gained the praise of National Intellectual Property Advantage Enterprise, and becomes top 500 manufacturing enterprises in Guangdong in 2019. Over 20 ranges of wiring device products has VDE certificate. TUV, CB, CE, ROSE, GCC, and SASO certificates. SOK. Beyond safety. Contact us by email export01jinli.com. Search www.sockswitch.com or www.jinli.com for more info. Thank you.